I was not going to record from here, but looks cool. The shed's kind of clean, even though it's almost falling apart, but it's also part of the video. You already know that me and Liz, we went to travel, have a lot of experiences. We also made videos in Thailand, we made a few videos in other countries here in Europe. We also made volunteering in this place that we are right now, which we've got now, this time, invited to help manage this place. Our friend, which is a big guy that I like a lot, even though he's small, not as tall, he invited us to help him to manage the volunteers and also manage how the restoration is gonna be, as he's gonna take the holidays very soon. But I also need to learn a lot with him to refurbish, rebuild, reconstruct, and like plastering, put cement in some things, where to paint, what we're gonna do with the area, and as well as keep friendly, make friends with all the volunteerings. So this is the experience that we're gonna have this period, this season, and I'm super happy that there are so many things that I need to learn. This management that I'm gonna do is gonna be the full restoration of the foundation, which is still going to be, which is also going to have a yoga retreat in the future. We're gonna take care and restore the house where the volunteers stay, which are two different places, as well as the place which me and Liz, or Liz and I, we're gonna stay together, sort of have a space just for ourselves if we need to withdraw and have some time alone, which is very necessary if you're spending your time or investing your time, most of your time, with 16 people in one house. You kind of need a place to kind of, well, I'm an introverted, so I spend a lot of energy with people, so I need to restore a bit of this energy to keep going. Our space, I like to call our space, it's where we're gonna start this video. We are starting today with Liz already looking at her sanding machine. This is my sanding machine. We need to refurbish everything in this ground. Also, this is the room where we're gonna stay. So the ground is already done, but it's not as good as it should be. So we're gonna change that. Following to this area is the kitchen, which was completely destroyed. Another small room here behind, but in this side is the other room, which the ground is already done, happily, gladly, because we don't need to make one more. Friends can stay here. And here is the bathroom, which they did not mess with this yet. So we're still gonna change it a lot. This place needs a lot of cleaning, lots of love. Today's the day of scraping the bad parts of the other ones and placing the tiles. See, there are different tiles now to finish because it was in the other house, so we're just gonna make that and also cut it. Managed to make the ground, huh? Nice and the most smooth as we can.
On the first floor.
And in the meantime, we're gonna paint with verniz the ground, and with Fabrizio we're gonna clean the sheds. Let's check the sheds for you to see how it is. Super messy. Then bikes, then this part that I would like to have all the tools inside here, like the barrels and things. So like me and Fabrizio started to clean it up. There's also this one as well. Nothing very valuable, huh?
Yeah.
But there is a lot. Well, we could not enter even here, so a bit of progress, if we can say.
Exactly. Yeah.
But it looks like we can manage to make the separation here and sort them out like plastic, metal. at least on the dreams. Finishing the vernice part.
The last touches.
So good already. And we finished the at least here. Shiny and not as, I don't know what that is actually. Made sort of a bubble that is cracking the vernice. But other than that, it's very shiny. But there is something that happened, that we came to this room, which was totally done and with vernice already shining like this. But there is a lot of places that could be better sanded. So I restarted from scratch, taking off the vernice from up there, and well, making it look like the other one. This room here as well, it's already done, but it's in a better condition, other than this, that it's kind of an oil or something. And this one could also be sanded, but maybe another time. So let's see how it's gonna be. I think you can notice that the difference is not gonna be in the color, but in the stains in the ground, eh? Like from above, the color changes a lot, because this one is with vernice and it's soft and smooth, and this one is just the wood now. But this one is gonna shine like this one, but without the stains, like without this very massive amount of stains, like black stains here. Like the first one that I started, it's this one. And now it doesn't have stains anymore. And also probably gonna make the room be lighter, even though it's white, the walls, but it's gonna be lighter when you look in the ground. As for example, this one is very black in the corners and it doesn't match with the one next to it, so. But as my arm is hurting a lot, I'm gonna check on the people that are also working. It's like there is a girl working upstairs with the grass, but Kelly right there, she's making an awesome job with the garden, and I haven't been there yet. Well, unfortunately for the garden I don't have the past, but I'm gonna put some pictures that she's gonna send to me. Ooh. You also recording here?
So then I come here. Okay.
A few moments later.
Come on, let's see if you guys are gonna find it different like I did. Because it's been 3 days that I am in this ground, taking off 3 days from this one. Because this one, Liz went away and left it with me. So look. Looks pretty. Ah, you see it, right? I'm gonna paint with the brush where I went. I had to open all these parts. Oh, and you actually can see a bit, like this is super brand new, that is very yellow, and this one is a bit more, it's a bit older. So I could not go all the place, which I really would like to have gone all the way through. But as it's the corner, I can fix it better when we change this machine, because this doesn't work very well. And the way that it's done, so you can see the difference. It's like this, I'm putting vernice on top of it, and as it's an experience, let's experience this beauty with me. It's like it's almost in the end, but we have another one. But look how beautiful the difference. I'm gonna put now the difference between past and recent. I really wish I could take this off. And actually the camera shows way more the black parts than actually it looks like when I look at it. This is the one that I use to polish the ground, sand the ground. It's a sanding machine. It turns and tilts as well, but you use things that has Velcro behind, and this is the worstest thing that I've ever used. But the machine itself makes an awesome job. The thing is that I would have chosen another one. And I don't know what means when it cracks like this in the ground. I think I need to clean and remake it again. And here we still need to take the painting out. This one is already done, but if you see the ground, it's still like the other one, but the other one I cleaned every single of this that I could. But the machine, what happens with the sanding machine is that you can clean when it's leveled, like completely leveled like this. But the corners, you need to tilt it a bit, and then the Velcro is not strong enough to hold it, and it just like swipe away. And it's not possible to do it completely, and I don't have back enough to do that. So we're still gonna do this ground, make the kitchen, and finishing cleaning. Well, it's an experience, right? I want to learn all of this, because when I have my own place, I know what to do, what to expect from other people that are gonna do as well. If not me, gonna make it. Let's keep going.
Can you please
And you.
tell Andre that he has to play this one
Andre,
song?
can you play?
Yes.
It's skewed off.
That's awesome. Almost. After here, it's me and Madura, which is the big brain of the foundation and this place that we're gonna stay. We're building now the desk, the creative desk for this place, which I'm gonna use one part for editing this video, which is exactly where I am right now. And Liz in the other side, you're gonna see when it's assembled with all the paintings for her. And we needed many leaves of MDF to do this one, but it was actually fun. I never used the power saw before, and I still haven't, because Maduro really would like to do that part for safety after his 50 years doing that. But it's very good for me to see and help, so I already can do. After this video, I already can do. You can see that there is a kitchen, which I'm gonna show later. We're gonna use the same things to build the kitchen with a sink and hot water, cold water, and everything else. I can say that this took us around like 3 hours from going to the shop, bringing it up. What is good is to see that the house is taking form after a month or so, and there is a lot to do still, of course. The kitchen is still not assembled, but we have more videos that are already recorded. It's gonna be in the next video for this one not to be big enough. And of course, mixing up with the other house, which is gonna be the foundation as well. Yeah, we decided that it's gonna be Bordeaux. Now this is how the house is looking right now. The artist painting something, and then also the other volunteers painting a parts of the wall. Well, now a bit of update of the big house.
So I can give it 12-ish, 10.
I'll make.
I don't know.
I'll make. Let's go.
Oh, that's good. Really?
He's super big and he's super funky and his ears are super floppy and he's just running around and
Dio is making cement on the street for some reason. Just to see better, I believe. here. We still need to paint up there somehow. Here we need to finish. Last year I was doing this with the other volunteers as well as a volunteer. Here. Oh, they're ascending the stairs super loud. Hi, Dio.
Yes, because the European operations could feed into the other, you see?
Yeah.
It gives sort of an outlet for its
Distributes the wealth across the world.
Let's see.
It's how
It's supposed to be even.
it's how refurbishing.
It takes your patience to do that properly.
My patience.
Well, I'm too quick. I just want to get it done.
I'll
Move
take
on.
it as a compliment.